In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an outstanding invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you have an invoice that you no longer expect to collect, it's important to write it off properly so your accounts receivable stays accurate and your financial reports reflect reality. In QuickBooks Online, the clean way to do this is by setting up a bad debt expense account, creating a bad debt item, issuing a credit memo, and then applying that credit memo to the unpaid invoice. I'll walk you through each part so the process feels simple and easy to follow. First, go to your chart of accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores all of the accounts used in your bookkeeping. Once you're there, create a new account. For the category type, choose expenses or bad debts if that option appears in your version. Then name the account Bad Debts and save it. This account is what will track the amount of income you're writing off as uncollectible, which helps keep your reporting organized. Next, you'll need to set up a bad debt item. Click the gear icon and go to Products and Services. From there, click New and choose either Non-Inventory or Service. Name the item Bad Debt. When you set up this item, link the income account to the bad debts expense account you just created. Even though you're working through an item setup screen, this connection is what allows the write-off to hit the proper account behind the scenes. After that, save and close. Now you're ready to create the credit memo. Click the New button and select Credit Memo. Choose the customer who has the unpaid invoice you want to write off. In the Product or Service field, select the bad debt item you just made, then enter the amount of the unpaid invoice. This creates a credit for that customer in the same amount as the outstanding balance. Once everything looks correct, save and close. The final step is to apply that credit memo to the open invoice. Click New again and select Receive Payment. Choose the same customer. In the Outstanding Transactions section, select the unpaid invoice. Then in the Credits section, select the credit memo so the balance is reduced to 0. This connects the write-off to the original invoice and clears the customer's open balance. When everything is matched correctly, save and close. That's it. The invoice is now written off, your receivables are cleaned up, and the amount has been moved to bad debt expense. As a quick tip, always double-check the customer name and amount before saving so the credit is applied to the correct invoice and your books remain accurate.